Hey friends, welcome back to the joyful space where we will explore dance and movement one playful step at a time. In today's episode, we're going to be learning how to curtsy and bow. Without much further ado, hello, my name is Miss Jackie and welcome to Learn Like a Child. Let's begin. Hands on our waist. Pretend there's a mummy's high heel shoe. Sneak it behind because it's very shy. Little bend. And heels back together in happy toes. Now, for the next part, arms, beautiful rainbow shape or the shape of an umbrella. Mummy's high heel shoe. Sneak it behind. Little bend, and place it back together in happy toes. Learn like a child. Welcome to Learn Like a Child. For this one, we're going to be doing bows. Begin with placing your hand crossed onto your heart, showing your palm. You're telling everyone, I give to you. My heart, I give to you. For this latter part of the bow, my heart, I salute and bow. My heart, I salute shoe?